In this video, I'll show you how to create an AI video in Canva. First, open Canva in your web browser. Click Canva AI from the left panel. Click Create a Video Clip. You will see the prompt box. Choose your preferred video style. Select the aspect ratio. Select the framing option. Adjust the lighting if you want. Now enter your video prompt. If you need help writing a prompt, open ChatGPT in another tab. Ask ChatGPT to generate an AI video prompt. Copy the prompt. Return to Canva. Paste the prompt into the prompt box. Click Generate. Wait while Canva AI creates your video. Preview the generated video. Play it with or without sound to see the result. That's it. This is how you can create an AI video in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.